When I was born, my mum died. I never knew her. I lived with my dad ever since. He had this pocket watch I always wanted, but now he's gone. In the fire. He said I could have it when he died. I just didn't think it would be so soon. Little did I know when my father gave me his watch, the powers that it had. I learnt that it would stop time, and I promised myself that I would only use that power for good. For example, saving my friends from embarrassment. Anyway, here's my story.
My books, why is it always me?
Such a boring watch, doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it's so boring. Come on guys, let's go.
Ava, it could be interesting. Why don't we wait and see?
No, Charlotte, let's go. It's not like we want to hang around with these losers.
You're such an idiot! You didn't know his dad just died?
No, sorry. Who are you calling an idiot?
You! Leave him alone!
Why should we? It's not like you can actually stop us.
Thanks for being so supportive.
That's okay. You know, you can always come back to mine if you want. Give your grandparents a rest.
No, it's fine. Anyway, this is her house. Bye.
Bye.
Use that power for good.
Max, don't worry about it. People will understand.
Don't worry, we're all gonna fail.
I'm not going to fail. I actually studied this time.
Time's up, everyone. Leave your papers on the desk, please.
I bet you cheated. Come on, we've got better things to do.
This watch, it freezes time.
No, it doesn't.
Look.
That's amazing.
Right, everybody, where's your homework, please?
Use that power for good.
Well done, everybody. Leah, where's your homework?
I had it.
Look, I haven't got time for any of these excuses. You've got a detention tonight, okay? Or maybe tomorrow, I'm not entirely sure, but you will have a detention for not giving me your homework. That's not like you at all.
But I had the homework.
Look, stop it. Stop giving me these ridiculous excuses. If you had the homework, you'd have it now. Detention tonight.
I don't want to talk to you right now. Come on, watch. It's not working.
I can't believe Leah didn't do her homework.
I know, it's nothing like her.
I know, she's such a goody two-shoes usually.
And then she cried about it too.
I know.
Wait, when was that homework due in?
Yesterday.
I'll go get a teacher.
Use that power for good. When she was in the ambulance, her heart stopped. The watch could have saved her, but I used it selfishly.